page, of my speech is defining success beyond grades. Educational journey is the definition of success often involves the success being simply measured by grades. Many students help to emphasize the importance of personal meaning of success, personal commitment, and support to success. My understanding of success has changed over the years because of first I thought success was like you will succeed. The first time you will never succeed. But I learned over the years to succeed. Sometimes difficult attempts and failure is the best of success. Emphasize academic achievement lies in understanding whether the achievement high grades succeed in my academic career is not defined by grade, but actually understanding the material. It's measured by personal commitment rather than achievements. Achievements paper look, but only know your personal achievements and what fulfills you. So for me, success is measured by personal commitment.